Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have live swatches of Sally Hansen Canada's new Miracle Gel Joy of Color collection. This is a limited edition collection that's available right now, and there are 6 polishes in this collection. There is a really fun topper, a few glitter polishes, and some shimmery polishes. And I'm going to be using the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel top coat on top of my swatches, so let's go ahead and take a look at the first polish. The first polish is called Red It Twice, and this is such a festive red polish. It's a deep cherry red jelly base that is just packed with some little red glitters in it. I applied 2 coats for full opacity, and this one does dry a tiny bit textured, so I applied a coat of the Miracle Gel top coat and that smoothed it out perfectly. So here are 2 coats of Red It Twice. The next polish is called Wrapped in Love, and this is a shimmery metallic berry polish. This one had really good coverage. Even on the first coat it was pretty much opaque, but I did feel like I needed that second coat to kind of bulk it up a little bit and hide that texture of my natural nail that was showing through on the first coat. You do have to watch out for brush strokes on this one, but the wide round brush is very helpful. So here are 2 coats of Wrapped in Love. This next polish is so cool. I think it's my favorite in the collection. It's called Under the Tree, and in the bottle it looks like a metallic green polish with almost a purple shift to it, but on the nail it is the prettiest navy blue base with a bunch of green shifting shimmer in it. I applied 2 coats for full opacity, and it does dry pretty glossy, but I would still recommend applying the Miracle Gel top coat on top. So here are 2 coats of Under the Tree. The next polish is a glitter polish, and this one is called Gift for Blue. It's a light gray crelly polish with some blue undertones and some small silver hex glitters. This one was a little bit sheer on the first coat, and I needed 2 to 3 coats to reach full opacity depending on how thick my coats were. The cool thing about this one is that because of the crelly base, as I layered this polish, it kind of softened up the glitter a little bit and made it a little more subtle. So here are 3 coats of Gift for Blue, and I would say the video swatch is a little bit more color accurate than the picture. Up next is another glitter polish called Living in the Presence. This one is very similar to Gift for Blue, but this one has a light dusty pink crelly base with those same small silver hex glitters suspended throughout. This one was an easy 2-coater for me, and I would definitely recommend applying a top coat because this one does dry with a little bit of texture. So here are 2 coats of Living in the Presence. And last but not least is a super fun glitter topper called Snow What You Want. This has got a bunch of irregularly shaped white shard glitter as well as some tiny white hex glitters all suspended in a clear base, and here I'm applying 1 coat over Wrapped in Love. And you're definitely going to want to apply a top coat because the white shard glitters can be pretty chunky, but here is 1 coat of Snow What You Want over Wrapped in Love. So here's one more look at my swatches of the 6 polishes from Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel Joy of Color collection. Again, this is a limited edition collection and it's available right now and should be available in Canada anywhere that Sally Hansen is sold. Under the Tree is my favorite from the collection, but I want to know which one was your favorite, so let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, but anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!